Instructions for NDNQI Pressure Ulcer Training. This is the page in Mosby's that you're currently on now. After watching this video, your first step will be to click on this link below this video window to start the training. This window will open with 3 training options available. Please select Option 1, Certificate of Successful Completion with 2 contact hours. Note, Option 1 requires successful completion of all 4 modules and tests in one session. Module 4 must be completed last. Next, the Objectives page opens. Please note in the lower left-hand corner, it says, 2 contact hours will be awarded to learners who participate in the entire activity and complete the evaluation. The learner must successfully complete all 4 modules in one sitting. You'll click on the Next button. The Test Instruction page now opens. Please note, the instructions say complete the Module 4 test last for your contact hours. Therefore, do not skip over other modules and go to Module 4 or you will not be able to receive your contact hour certificate. Over on the left under Notes, it says Print the Proof of Completion page for your employer after obtaining a passing score. You must be connected to a printer to print the Proof of Completion page. Make sure the computer that you're working on has a printer connected to it. In the center, it shows the number of questions and how many is required to pass. You can only miss 1 question on each test to pass. Now you'll click the Next button. You'll enter your first and last name and then click Begin. Now you're at the beginning of Module 1 of the 4 modules you'll need to complete to get your contact hours and your certificate of training. If you look at the top, it shows the 4 modules you'll need to complete: Pressure Ulcer Staging, Other Wound Types, Pressure Ulcer Survey Guide, Community versus Hospital Unit Pressure Ulcers. On the left-hand side, you'll see Module 1 Lesson Plan. It ends with your Pressure Ulcer Staging test. Once you finish the module, you'll get to the test. You'll click Begin Test. If you pass the test, you'll be presented with this page. You have the Click Here to print. That will print a certificate that shows proof that you finished this module. After you print that certificate, then you'll come back and click on Start Module 2 to move on to the next module. You'll see on the left-hand side under My Test Progress, you now have a green check under Module 1. This is what the Module 1 Proof of Completion certificate looks like. You should have 1 for each module you complete. If you fail the test, you'll see this message. Click on Restart Module to retake the test. It'll bring you back to the last module you attempted. You do not have to watch the complete module. You can go to the bottom and then take the test. Once you finish all 4 modules and their accompanying tests, you will reach this page. If you look on the left-hand side, you have green check marks by each of the modules. You'll need to click the button to print your Module 4 Certificate of Completion, then return to this page and click View Results. Click here to take the evaluation and retrieve your CE certificate. You'll need to complete the evaluation, put in your first and last name, your VA email address, and then click Submit. Print the Contact Hour Certificate of Completion, staple it together with the 4 modules Certificate of Completion, and turn it in to your manager. Okay, let's get started. Click on the link below.